Hello, I'm Jane Arnold, and I am the head of Global Process Control Technology at Covestro. At Covestro, we have a very strong predictive maintenance program, and this is using the traditional approach of condition monitoring, and that includes manufacturing recommendations, inspection information, as well as human expertise and know-how to know when we should service equipment, and that's how we plan our outages or any sort of equipment replacement. In the past, and even in the recent past, if there's an incident that happens, our experts spend a lot of time looking through the data manually. When we now add digitalization topics and using machine learning, we can actually automate some of that so it becomes much more efficient for the user. We recently had a use case for using machine learning on a large motor, and inside that motor is a lot of different temperature sensors as well as vibration sensors. And with the software, we were able to map what did the motor look like when it was in good shape, and over time, what does it change to? And we were able to detect 8 months prior to the failure that the motor was going to fail. The achievements of using machine learning or artificial intelligence is actually an improvement on stream time. A reduction of energy usage, less unplanned outages, which overall will lead to a better safety record because you're exposing operators to less unplanned events. Digitalization in manufacturing, and by utilizing these additional tools, will become prevalent at every site, every location, and every person that's involved in the process and operations will be deeply engaged. And eventually we're all going to be able to access all the data with a touch of our fingers and be able to make wise decisions based on the holistic view of the information. Over time, we're actually going from kind of linear improvements to exponential improvements, and the technology is changing faster each year, and we are catching up to the different trends and what's happening. And I think it's just right around the corner, and it's really an exciting future for us with the improvements that we're making.